Hi guys, so we're here in Durban and we're fishing a pre-sardine run session. Heading down here to Umhlanga to try for a stumpy, pompano, or possibly a cob as it gets darker. She's a bit big, but there's a nice trough, and I'm going to fish with my Nemesis and my Tesoro 10,000. And yeah, Tavi's with me. Hopefully we can get you some action. Got a sea lice cage. I'm going to try to get some fresh sea lice and see. And try to put a bait and try to put some natural baits and see. Enjoy it, guys. Hi guys, as you can see, got my Nemesis. I was looking actually nice right here at the entrance. It's a nice bank there. Try to get a sea lice, put it before that white water, and hopefully get you some action. There's only like 2 more hours left of light, so try to get some sea lice and hopefully get a natural bait there. Yeah. Hi guys, so we're here at Umhlanga and we're fishing with my Nemesis 4 to 6 ounce, and I'm fishing with my 10,000 Tesoro, as you can see. And all we're doing fishing for is stumpy or pommy, and I'm fishing a Lynx 3-way swivel, and just a piece so it doesn't tangle here on the top. All I'm doing is I'm going to put a nice sea lice. As you can see, I got 2 sea lice. Okay, one I'm going to put whole and the other one I'm going to smash on it. Okay, I thread from the back where the tail is. Come closer, darling. I like to hide the hook in there. Okay, and this one I'm gonna tie it tight there. I'll turn the hook in now. The shell is very slippery, so the hook's gonna keep moving on the shell. Slide that in. Then I'm gonna take another one. Keep the bigger one for Tavi. Another one. Okay. This one I'm gonna hammer it a bit. Top of the hook. I wanted to get crushed and find the hook. Okay, the last piece is to put a piece of crayfish. Zululand friends, learned that this works very well. I don't see why it won't work on our coastline. And I'm fishing a fixed trace. The other rod I'm going to fish a running trace for tabi. So we're fishing both the higher up and the surface and the sea floors of this. Right. That's my bait. Let's see. Okay guys, so I'm going to throw the bait now. Tabi's going to come video me. Just before the bank. Morning guys, so I'm here at one of our local points in Potchefstroom, and there's already a guy spinning there. So I've got a live bait rod and I got a spinning rod. I'm going to slide a dead mackerel first while I'm spinning, maybe hopefully get a shad. And I did carry a top bunk and some bait. I like to put a live shad out, but there is one to snook around. Never know when the sards are going to pop up. There's pilot shows ahead already, so yeah, let's see if we can get you some action. Alright guys, so I'm throwing my cedros. Try to put the bait there. As you can see, it's a lovely morning. See, it's a little bit up, but you'd want a little bit of that chop. Wait so I can go down there and throw, not get wet. So guys, I'm just sliding a dead bait. As you can see, just a dead mackerel. For now, until I can get a live bait. I put a skirt because of a chance of a kuta in the morning.